Hello YouTube, it's been a long time since I did this, but today we are unboxing the DJI RCN3 for my DJI Neo. This one came from Japan. I ordered it from Japan. It's a little bit expensive, but I hope it's okay. The quality is the same. I mean, it's an original DJI. So without further ado, so there it is, DJI RCN3 remote controller. I still have to work out how to pair this, and I'll probably make a continuing video out of it. But for those of you who wants to know, let me as soon as I can see my tape measure here, my meter, but I cannot see it. This is probably about 6 inches by probably by 5, 6 inches by 5 or 4 inches, the box. And this contains the remote controller itself, and yes, it's brand new. So thanks to the seller, shout out to the seller. Okay, this is one reason why I wanted this. So I wanted to have the fly button, or the return to home button, which is lacking if you are just using your telephone, your iPhone as controller for the Neo or Android. And this is one of the primary reason why I wanted this controller, so that there's a return to home. It has this is its charge, 2 bars. Maybe I'll end up charging this before using. There's the function button, there's the camera button, there's the gimbal switch, and there's the telephone, and this is supposed to be for the telephone. Yep. And there is the built-in connector, which is for USB-C. But since I'm using an iPhone, I'll exchange this for the iPhone connector. And there is the joystick. It's reassuring to find out that this is being screwed on to a metal part. Again, as you can hear, that reassuring sound of metal to metal hitting, so that you know it's really sturdy. Okay. Using a controller is nothing new to me already, because I had a Mavic before, DJI Mavic, and a DJI Phantom 4 Pro. So this is nothing new. Let's see the rest of the content of the box. And there is the USB-C to Lightning connector for iPhone, which I'll be using. And then the manual. Okay, so everything looks okay, complete. Let's try charging this, and after a while I'll make a video using trying this out. To continue, I have now charged the RCN3. It's so easy to pair it with the Neo. All you have to do is open this cell phone holder. I'm just using my Android for this demo, but I've actually used my iPhone when I tested this out. And you just slide it in, and then you use the connector, this one, to connect your telephone. If it's an Android, then you can use the USB-C, or if it's an iPhone, you can use the Lightning. Okay, but this one is the iPhone, and all you have to do is just pair it. It's so easy. The first thing that you will do, that you will see, is that it will be installing a new firmware. I just don't know how to show it because I'm using my iPhone now to shoot this video, this short video. And then after installation, you will see their connection guide, and you just have to follow very simple explanation, and then you would have paired your Neo with it. And I tried it out a while ago, but I'll show another video. Whereas without the controller, just using the telephone as controller, I can go max 20 meters horizontal without losing connection with the Neo. Vertical, I can do about 12 meters before losing connection. But when I tried this a while ago, I was able to do around 55 meters horizontal, and the connection is still good. And vertical, I went as high as about 25 meters. After this, I'll show a video and the screen capture of my screen actually flying the Neo, so you can all see. So that's the flight demo of the DJI Neo using the RCN3 controller. So if you ask me, is it worth it buying this and just, you know, fly the Neo on its own? For me, and this is actually the reason why I bought this, yes, it's worth it. The extra, you know, couple of thousands worth of pesos buying this. Because number one, as I did find out, it extends the range. I was able to fly my Neo up to 100 plus meters horizontally, and vertically I was able to reach about 35 meters vertically. Although when I flew it, I decided to bring it down because I would start getting the message that strong winds is being encountered at that height. Baka may mangyari pa sa aking Neo. That's why I've had to bring it down to 30 meters and flew it all the way up to, I think, 102 something meters. I think it's still possible to fly it more because the signal bar that I can get from the remote controller to the Neo is still full. So meaning to say, it can still go further. Kaya lang, I decided not to anymore because in reality, 100 meters away, horizontally is already good if you just want to get a simple, landscape video of whatever vista you want to get. And horizontally, I think the 30 plus meters is the safe limit. Because more than that, if it encounters stronger winds, the Neo might just be blown off course already. And worst case scenario, masira na siya. Or maano na, no? What they call this, out of sync already, and I might lose my Neo. As far as the signal lack of the satellite signals, I did get about 32. I think the most number of satellite signals it received. So which means 32, you only need a minimum of 8 actually to have a good navigation. But with 32, napakaganda ng kanyang navigation nun. And after flying it for a couple of minutes, about maybe less than 10 minutes or 10 minutes, I still have almost full. So this is a very good investment. And if you ask me, yeah, if you own a Neo, go buy this. It's worth it. So that's it. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you like this video. And if you find it informative, please drop a line. I'd love to hear from you. Bye for now.